Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to be going over how to use COUNTIF, Averageif, Sumif in Google Sheets. So I've got my data here, and what I want to do is I want to count the orders in the West region. I want the average profit for furniture, and I want the sum of sales for furniture in the West. So we have a criteria here, which is the West region, and we want to use the count function. So like any other function, you start with the equal sign, and then I'm going to do count, and I'm going to go to COUNTIF. And you can see in COUNTIF, first you put in a range, and then you put in a criterion. So the range here is we're looking at this column of region. We select this region column, and then the criterion is West, because we want to see how many orders are from the West region. If I go ahead and enter that, you can see there's 3,203 orders in the West region. Now I want the average profit for furniture. So very similarly, I'll do equals average if. This one is a little bit different. So you put in the criterion range, same as the last one. So in this case, I'm looking at the furniture column, so I'm going to select the values from that. And then I want the criterion. So in this case, I'm looking for furniture in that column. I need the quotation marks because it's a string. And then the average range is the range that I want to do the average on. So in this case, it's profit. So the profit column here, select that, close it out, and the average profit's about $8.70. Now we have something that we want to do two criteria with. So for sales, we want the sum over furniture and West. So in this case, we have to use another thing. You can see there's this sums ifs. There's also average ifs and counts ifs as well. This is when you want to use multiply criteria, like in this case where we're doing furniture and West. So in this case, we actually do the sum range or the average range first. So in this case, we want to sum over the sales. So I'm going to select that column. The criteria range, so we wanted furniture. So we'll go ahead and select that column. And then we put in the criterion for that, which is furniture. And then the second criteria was for region. We wanted it to be in the West. So we'll select West, close that out, and you can see we have, let's put a comma in here so it's easier to read. So we've got about $252,000 worth of sale for furniture in the West. So I hope that helped you figure out how to do counts, average, and sum in a formula when you have criteria. I hope you learned quite a bit on that. Thank you very much.